time, last month, we had written our vision for reading comprehension, maths, writing. What is the meaning of vision? Ayush? Our dream. Yes? Our dream. So what was your dream last time, Vanshika? Last time when you write the vision earlier, what was your vision?
In English, I want to be on 2.5 level.
Excellent. And did you reach that level?
Yeah, Didi.
Yes, excellent. So you achieve your vision. Very good. Sit down. Yeah. Okay, 99%, but you don't reach. Okay, fine.
My vision is level is 3.0.
3.0, and you reach 3.0. Are you right now at 3.0? Right now is Prashant at 3.0 level? No, but you want to reach there? Excellent. Sit down. So today we are also going to write a new vision for ourselves. Is that clear?
Yes.
We will write a new vision for ourselves. Now, I have some colored worksheets here. There are 4 boxes in it. It says reading comprehension, writing, maths and values. Now there are 3 values that we are going to focus in our class, which is to respect each other. What is the meaning of respect? Lakshay, can you give me an example quickly?
Respect the parents.
Okay, you respect the parents. Second value, try. What is the example of try? Nitin?
Again and again.
Again and again try.
Try.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Ritu again and again try.
Ritu and again tries. Next, sharing. Can you give me the example of sharing? Khushi, can you give me example of sharing? What is she sharing? If there is some other value you want to write, if there is some other value which you think is important, you can write. Is that clear, Khushi?
Yes.
Kashish, understand? Yeah. Okay, so take one and pass on, and no. Excellent. Take one and pass on. Yes, pick one and pass on. Think what level you want to be. Hurry up. Chalo, pick one. No fighting. Small problem it is. Write your name on top. Please write your name on top. Otherwise, I will not know whose dream it is. Excellent. I can see team 5 is already writing their vision.
Vikash, why? Can you tell me what you've written down on your piece of paper? What have you done here?
It's my name. V.
It's your name. Okay, but tell me what you've written on your card. Can you explain this?
I say everyday English to try.
Every day to try.
Didi and other bhaias respect. I share with my friend lunch. I help each children. I every day angry. That is why I am writing today.
What are you angry about? What makes you angry, Vikash?
Other children tease me and I am angry. That is why I am fighting.
You fight with them?
I not angry.
Not angry. Why is it important not to get angry? Why is this important to you?
Charts and other children hurt. That is why I am writing.
Other children get hurt when you get angry? Yeah, okay. Thanks, Vikash.
Now, what we are going to do today is something very new and something very exciting. Now, yesterday, I had gone to meet some of my friends, okay? And my friends and I were talking. And so this one friend of mine one friend of mine, he said, I don't like people who eat chicken. I said, why? Why do you not like people who eat chicken? He said, no, I just don't like them. I said, I eat chicken. He said, yeah, you eat chicken, I don't like it. And then I think it is so mean. Do you agree with my friend?
No.
Do you agree?
No.
So my problem is that I did not like his opinion. I disagreed with his opinion because his evidence was very weak. Can someone tell me the meaning of evidence? What is the meaning of evidence? Nitin,
Why?
why or proof? Sabut, right?
Yes.
So what is the evidence? Is this a strong evidence that if you eat chicken you're bad? So what is the problem? The problem I understand is that when people have weak evidence, when they have a weak reason, then their opinion is not very strong, and I don't like that. So I think when I come to class today, I am going to teach class 3A how to make strong opinions. Can you show me strong opinions? Strong opinions. So when you have a strong opinion, you are able to convince people, right? Yes? So today I am first going to give you example, and then I will give you 2 problems, and we will learn how to pick the strongest evidence. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are there any questions?
No.
Show me a thumbs up if you are clear. So sometimes, look at me. So sometimes you smoke BDs, sometimes you smoke cigarettes. That is called smoking. Yes? Have you seen someone smoke?
Yeah.
Show me a thumbs up if you've seen someone smoke. Okay. So today the topic is that smoking is now. I'm now going to decide how to use this evidence. Now I have 3 options, and what I'm going to do is that I will choose that what evidence will I use to support my opinion. Now I think that smoking is very bad. Okay, I disagree that smoking is good. Understand, that is my opinion that I disagree that it is very bad. Now what evidence will I choose? So these are 2 evidence in front of me. Okay, first evidence that is that BDs are very tasty. What is the meaning of tasty? What is the meaning of tasty? I want hands. Khushi, what is the meaning of tasty? Very nice, very good. Very swad, right? And what is my second option? BDs give lung cancer. What is lung cancer? Lung cancer. Nandini? Lung cancer. You know your lungs? You breathe? So basically BDs give us lung cancer. So now what is my opinion? What do? Now I'm going to think what is the strongest evidence I'm going to pick. Now if I want to say, okay, that smoking, I think that smoking is not good. Right? I disagree. Okay, if smoking is not good, people should not smoke. So what is the strongest evidence? What is a strong evidence? What is a strong reason, proof that I can give? Can I say that I disagree and I think that smoking is bad because BDs are very tasty?
No.
Is that a strong opinion?
No.
Why is it not a strong opinion? Why is it a weak opinion? Varsha, why is it a weak opinion? Come on, try. Don't be shy. I say, okay, you should not, Varsha, you should not do smoking because BDs are very tasty. Is that a good opinion? Why? What is wrong? Because BDs are not tasty. Okay. What other reason? Why is my evidence wrong? Why is my evidence not right? Fire it smartly, please. Why is my evidence not correct? Ritu.
Because you said disagree. And disagree means that I am not sehmat with it.
Yes.
And BDs are tasty. This is agree.
Yeah, yes. So there is no matching, right? So my evidence has to match with my opinion, correct? Now lung cancer. Is this convincing?
Yeah.
Will the other person understand this?
Yeah.
There is no problem if you disagree. There is no problem if you agree. Is that clear?
Yes.
Show me a thumbs up if that is clear. Yes, team 4. Team 5 is showing me thumbs up. Excellent. Team 4. Wonderful. Hands down. Now, can someone please stand up quickly from team number 1 and read out problem number 1 for me? From team number 1. Nandini. Quickly read out the problem in a smart and confident voice.
Karan burns his father's shirt
While ironing,
it, the father comes back to find that his favorite shirt gone.
very good,
He
beats
Karan
badly.
badly. Do you agree with what the father did?
Excellent. Sit down. Karan burned his father's shirt while ironing it, while pressing it, and his father came back and he beat Karan very badly. Yes, what is the meaning of beat? Roy? Beat? Marna, yes. So he beat Karan very badly. Very badly beating means very bad. बहुत बुरी तरह से. Now, the question is, do you agree with what the father did? Now, you can agree or you can disagree. Then the first question says, what evidence will you use to support your opinion? You have to choose. Now, if I think that okay, I think I agree that Karan's father hit Karan. I think I agree. Now, I think I can agree also. You can disagree, no problem. We don't have to do the same thing. I think I agree that it's good only that Karan's father beat him one nicely because he burnt his shirt. Now, I need to find the strongest evidence, strongest sabut to support my answer. There are 4 options in front of me. Karan was watching TV while ironing the shirt. Karan was very tired when he burnt the shirt. Karan did not know how to iron the shirt. Karan wanted to quickly finish the work so he could go to play. What is the strongest evidence to support that yes, what the father did was right? Ayush.
Karan wanted to quickly finish the work, so he would go to play.
Yes. So I think that because Karan quickly wanted to finish the work and want to go to play, that is why he made the mistake. Yes. That is why he burned the shirt. Yes. So I think it is right that Karan's father beat him nicely. Can you give me the other side? If I say that no, what Karan's father did was very bad, I disagree with it. I completely disagree. Why did he beat the son? What evidence will I choose to support my answer then?
Didi, I think Didi choose Didi. Karan did not know how to iron the shirt.
Why do you think that?
Didi, because Karan know how to
Not know. Press is also right, yeah.
Press in cloth.
Do you understand what we did? Sit down, thank you. Look at question number 2. Now you have your opinion, yes?
Yes.
Now you have one strong evidence, yes?
Yes.
Now write down your opinion with your evidence. Is that clear? Yes, you have to write I disagree because dash dash dash. I agree because dash dash dash. Understand? Show me a thumbs up if you have no questions. Show me a thumbs up if you have no questions. Gupta will come back from Dreamland. Excellent. Now, write your answers.
What was the problem?
Excellent. Wonderful.
The problem is his father, Karan burned his father's shirt and his father beat him very badly, and I disagree because his father has not paid him because he current did not know how to iron his shirt.
So making opinions and understanding opinions, the most important thing is to be able to understand both sides. You have to understand what agree means and you have to understand what disagree also means. Understand? Now you choose. You choose if you want to agree, if you want to disagree. And pick your evidence and write it down. Is that clear?
Yes.
If you have questions, please raise your hand and I will come to you. Wonderful, yeah. Start okay. Good, okay. So you think that Reena should go to school at 9 years old and get married at 9 years old, right? Wonderful, that's the reason I want to write it down.
My reason, I go Reena mother and said, Auntie, Didi, Reena not age to marriage. And here 9, 8.
How old is Reena?
Didi 9. And Didi here reading, Didi here go school and here do reading, here give help you to work, to find work and help you. I agree because Didi, if Reena not Didi, Reena not good is
Then
when Didi she not go.
wonderful. So you see, Ayush was able to make an argument for the other side also. He gave evidence for the other side also. Agree also we have an evidence and disagree also we have evidence. Look at Didi.
Listen to Didi.
Excellent team 3 is also giving the action. Look at Didi.
Listen to Didi.
Wonderful. All teams are giving the action. Great. So did you like doing this exercise?
Yeah.
Yes, Himanshu. Smartly, confidently. Yes. Very good. That's a good answer. He wants us to do this every day. Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. So look at what Vikash did. What did he do? He used new words from the synonyms here. I want you to use new words. Wonderful. Thank you, Vikash. Yes, Ritu.
I like it because it exercise brain and maybe it's help us to make lawyer and
Okay, it helps us to make lawyer. But do you think you can use this every day?
Yeah.
Can you use this opinion making every day? Is it only